So, how are we gonna add this fog in Affinity Photo? So, first, duplicate the image 3 times. Ctrl+J, name the first 0, second 25, and the third 50. And the last one 75. Now let's add the fog itself. Go to the adjustments and curves. Drag the left one up. And you can do something, and you can do tiny bit for the right part, but it's not necessary. Name this curve to 100. Duplicate it and name it 75 and adjust the opacity to 75. Duplicate it and make it 50, name and of course the opacity. And then do the same but 25. Select all fogs by holding shift and clicking. Click hidden button. And now we're gonna make it work. For the image layer 75, we are gonna select the furthest thing in the photo, which is the sky. Grab a selection tool and start selecting the sky. Once you're done with your selection, click Add Mask and right-click the mask and hit Refine Mask. Just click Apply. Then go to the image 50 and start selecting the mountains. And basically just repeat the process. I guess you already know the next step. But now let's select the lake. Well, do I even have to tell you what to do anymore? Now select the image 0 and the foreground. So as you can see, we kinda separated the objects in the scene to making depth. Let's go and unhidden our fogs. And now click the 100 and 75, holding shift at the same time. Group them by pressing Ctrl+J and do the same for the 75 and 50. And do the same for the 50 and 25. And do the same for 25 and 0. And here are the results. And yep, that's basically it. I hope it helps. As always, see ya!